Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza ebisookerwako Dr. Joyce Moriko Kaducho nga tanayita minisita w'ebyenjigiriza n'emizannyo Janet Museveni yeebazizza bonna abakoze ekisoboka okulaba nga baggalawo ensomesa enkadde n'okutandika empya.
This is the last cohort of the learners who studied under the old low secondary curriculum. Permit me to congratulate and thank all the stakeholders for a job well done.
Yeebazizza President Museveni olw'okwongera amaanyi mu nkola ya Bonna Basome owa siniya ekyongedde okuwa omwagaanya abaana bava mu masomero ga UPE okweyongerayo mu secondary.
The universal education has now seen more learners progressing from primary to secondary education.
Since financial year 2019-2020 to 2022-2023 alone, the government has invested at least 130 billion shillings in the development and rollout of the revised lower secondary curriculum. This excludes the initial funding injected in the earlier stages prior to financial year 2019-2020. Now my pleasure to release the 2023 Uganda Certificate of Education examination results for the public, and may God bless us all.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.